Hi, my name is Jang, and today in this video, I'll be showing how to draw the constructions of the following question that is displayed here. The question reads, construct an isosceles triangle which has the same base and height to the following triangle. For this question, I'll be setting the base as base length PQ, and for the height, I'll be using the length of CQ as I have marked Q over here. Now, for this question, I'll be using the following materials to do the construction. The first will be an eraser just in case I make mistakes. The second will be a ruler without any markings. The third will be a pen to mark the points, and the last but not least, the final one will be a compass. So for the first step, we'll first mark a point P that will serve as the vertex of the triangle. For the second step, we will set the compass width to the same as AB. We'll first put the vertex at B and the other at A, meaning the length of AB. We will now, for the third step, from point B, we will draw an arc with this length. For the first step, on this arc that we have just drawn, I will mark a point R on the arc to be the other end of the space. For the fifth step, I will have to connect P and R. For step 6, from P and R, I will draw an arc on each side of the base with a fixed compass width randomly. So I will set the fixed length as this. And now I'll draw another one starting from point R, creating an intersection point at each of the arc drawn. For step 7, I will draw a vertical line through each of the arc intersections created. This will serve as the midline for the triangle in general. For step 8, I will set the compass to the length of CQ, which will be the height. Starting from point C to Q, which will be the height of the original triangle. For step 9, from the base midpoint which I've just drawn, I will draw an arc across the vertical line creating Q. Starting from point P and R. For step 10, I will mark the intersection point as Q, and I will connect PQ and PR. After ensuring that this will be the midpoint, I will serve PQ and PR. After finishing the steps, I will have completed the isosceles triangle of PQ and R. The steps in total will be done in the following process. Step 1 will be to mark the point that will serve as the vertex of the triangle. Step 2 will be to set the compass width to the same as AB, which will be the base. Step 3, from point B, using the compass width I've just created, I will draw an arc. Step 4, I will mark point R on the arc to be the other end of the base. Step 5, I will connect the P and R. And then step 6, from P and R, I will draw an arc on each side of the base with a fixed compass width. Step 7, I will draw a vertical line through each of the arc intersections. Step 8, I will set the compass to the length of CQ, the height. Step 9, from the base midpoint, I will draw an arc across the vertical line, creating Q. And last but not least, for step 10, I will connect PQ and RQ, which will produce the final product of this isosceles triangle, completing the question of this construction. Thank you.